What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another beautiful day here in the desert and another desert vlog video. Well, actually I showed up like a couple hours ago. Pop showed up, Big Norm showed up, we got Anthony showing up, and real quick we got cops hauling butt down that way. We heard some crazy stuff going on, so Anthony started up his truck. Let's go see what all that noise and all that shenanigans was all about right there, because we heard it looked like someone got down jiggy with it. Oh, look at Anthony got some nice Milwaukee tools back here. All right, let me
yeah, you know,
let me play back. What do I need? Do I need anything? Probably already got all this stuff.
What do you need, Bob?
Let's see. What do we got? We got oh, this is nice.
Yeah, that's a new one.
What are you in construction?
Got the blades all in there too.
But you're not in construction.
All the blades are in there.
What in the hell? Look at what we got. Oh, little impact, a little half-inch. It's nice. What else we got here? You guys need any of this? Oh, hey, this is nice right here. These are badass. I got this in the back of my truck. I love this thing. So, guys, we're in the rammer right now. That's nice. Got that too. Hey, look at that. What else we got here? Ooh, that's nice. Hey, you got some nice stuff there, boy.
There you go.
In the rammer. Oh, look, that's a nice little TD or whatever they're called.
Yeah.
No, but they're like TRX, whatever.
It's just me, or is traffic kind of building up?
Traffic's probably building up. Let's see, guys. Let's see what kind of action.
Shit.
What? Oh. Looks like I should have brought my rammer. We can tow him out real quick. Damn. All right, guys. So
maybe we.
It looks like, I would assume, and for all the people, you know, that cut off semis and like people with trailers,
yeah.
you know, it's a lesson. Don't cut us off, because we can't really move as fast or stop. You know, don't stop as fast either. Just because probably, I'm sure this guy got cut off and, you know, couldn't stop, swerved and everything. I don't know if you guys can.
This guy is in.
Damn, how the hell? Well, I mean, I guess I could just pull my rammer, pull him backwards.
Maybe we could use mine to show what re-gearing or non-re-geared rammer would do.
No, I'm gonna do a gearing. It just has to do with some, you know, Hurst purr and some Turk.
Push and pulls.
You know, so I guess, Anthony, I think you should just put in 4-wheel drive and we'll head right down in there.
That's what we'll do.
Wow, look at that semi. Oh my goodness.
I wonder if it hit the rail.
No, it looks like he's right before.
There's a road built right.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, they put you a road.
Right.
Perfect. Here, let me go on this side for you guys right here.
Eddie, it's gonna be better.
Hold on.
We're gonna end up on this side.
Are we allowed?
Yeah, of course.
Eddie, we're gonna end up on.
What do you mean, are you allowed? We're in the desert. So there's an accident, but there's border patrol. Go ahead. Why are you stopping? Go. Keep going.
Hey, get out of here.
Keep going. What do you mean? Go. Oh, we're stuck. We're stuck. Put it.
Now I'm stuck.
Put it in 4x. It was 2-wheel drive. Put it in 4 low. We're stuck, guys. Rammer stuck. Just put it in 4 low. Damn, this is soft.
Yeah.
Woo.
Hello?
You're 4 low? Yeah, going 4 low. We don't need 4 high. We're just cruising, and it's a lot easier to turn it. There you go. Go ahead, 4 low. There you go. Look at that. Rammer power, baby.
Eddie.
There you go. Yeah, go right up there.
Eddie, this is
Oh my
holding
goodness.
you liable. Why can't we just walk?
We can, but I'm just saying, go up here. Why would we walk?
Be able to get out.
There you go. Look, what do you mean get out? This is front row. Look at this. How you doing, sir? Do you need me to bring the rammer? I'll bring the rammer for you. Wow, look at this. That sucks. What happened? Oh my goodness. Oh, he hit that car. Look at that. Look at the car. Oh, and the airbags went off and everything. Holy moly. Oh, this is a perfect view. Just stop right here. Yeah. So it looks like, guys, on that side is destroyed. On that tire. Yeah, it's his tire. So this guy, so this guy probably tried to cut him off like this. Yeah. Or he didn't see him, yeah. Yeah, but I mean, how do you not see a semi, dude? I mean, it's a semi. It's not a Prius. I mean, that's and it's orange. Well, it's orange. I mean, come on, dude. Really? You got an orange semi and a red car. Orange and red. That makes like purple when they go together. Don't they? What do they make? Orange and red? I don't know, guys. What orange and red makes. But that sucks right there. I could probably pull him backwards in the rammer.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's only probably 50,000 pounds.
He has
80,000. That's it.
He has all wheat. He has all lock. He can lock all his tires.
Yeah, I mean, 80,000 pounds for a rammer. That's like me just pulling my own weight. It's nothing.
He can interlock all his axles.
Shall interlock all my axles. Kick out my hearse perm, some torque merd. Get the Turk merd in there. It'll be solid. So I was trying to get a closer view for you guys, but the highway patrol yelled at me and said, "You're gonna stay on that side of the fence, sir." So I'm not allowed to cross this chain or hit. Oh. Get in trouble. But that sucks. This is a crappy situation for him. Good morning, guys. It is a little windy, not too bad. You see there, it's nice breeze, but we woke up a little late. You know, some of us drank a little too much, but some of us didn't. You know, woke up, relaxed, had some coffee, and well, we are now going to get ready to head out on a little ride. See if there's any action. It's pretty dead out here. There's not too many people, so we might have the dunes all to ourselves. Who knows? Let's go. All right, guys, we have arrived here at the hill. There's not too many people here. You can see it's pretty mellow. It's pretty dead right now. You got some people started rolling. Oh, I like that white one. Look at that right. Oh, that's nice. That white Razor. I like the lights. Might be the lights. Yeah, there's still a lot of Razors out here. Yeah, it sounds like. Sounds bad. A little issue there, guys. I think he's got a bad injector. Oh. No, he's got a bad injector. So guys, a little situation we're having. Oh, he lost his son. Doesn't know where his son went. We think Big Norm over here got, you know, it sounds like to me it's a bad injector. It's sitting there popping, but doesn't sound like it's running on all cylinders. So yeah, I don't know. Last trip he needed to tow it. I don't know if he's gonna tow it, try to drive it. I told him he shouldn't drive it, but I guess, you know, we'll see what he wants to do. Well, guys, it's that time of the month or the day. Here he goes. Anthony has to hook up his old Momentum. How you doing over here, partner?
Right on the money shot.
Damn. We need to just get rid of this, man, and just get a Goose Neck and be done with.
Yeah, you know, might not be bad.
I'm doing it. So, guys, now that
I'll let you do it first.
Yeah, now that Gen Y has released this, I don't know if you guys saw it, but you pull these bolts out right here, and this whole thing is pretty much a gooseneck instead of a fifth wheel. So all you have is just a ball in there instead of this big massive thing. You know, a lot of you guys ask me, why don't you get a fifth wheel? This is another main reason why is, you know, look at this. If we have just our regular beds, the truck is gone. I mean, you have no room. The truck is completely gone.
I'm not gonna lie, I feel it now.
Yeah, so he's telling you, he feels it, you know, where you have no bed space. So if you need to put tires or just whatever you want, and it's not like these things you can just grab them and toss them out of your way.
Clean out the house.
You know, yeah, just anything.
I had to stack chairs around this thing.
Yeah, see, that's why, guys, I want to get its, and obviously I'm gonna do a little more research on it, but you just pop this out. It's just a ball in there, and that's it. It's all you got. It's just one ball, and you're done. You know, and I will admit, yes, these things tow 10 times better, you know, than a regular bumper pull. But, you know, if you guys saw like my Instagram story, if you're not following Eddie's Life, go follow my Instagram at Eddie's Life, and you can see, I mean, I cruise with this thing 75 miles an hour, and, you know, my ding don't budge. So, I mean, you know, I don't know how much better it's gonna get than that. It's a nice car. But I don't want to deal, you know, with this whole thing right here, man. This is just a nightmare. Go ahead. Okay. I think you're good. I don't know. What the hell? I don't know if that's normal. I think
scam.
I think you're good.
What a scam.
Oh, it's supposed to lock automatically?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, on the semi trucks, you just go in and kink. You can go in any direction. This thing is a fucking scam.
That's another thing, guys.
Right? You heard it.
I heard, yeah. I didn't know if it's supposed to lock. Every time he hooks up, or anybody our buddies would hook up, I see him go back and forth, back and forth. It's like, why do I want to deal with that? And maybe, I don't know, we're doing it wrong. I don't know. I can't, you know. Oh, you're moving this leg. I can't really educate, you know, you guys on something that I don't know about. No, you're moving the whole trailer. Yeah, see guys, this is like what I don't want. And you know, I'm sure maybe we're missing something here. I don't know. Are you sure it's not locked? Are you sure it's not locked?
Sure. No, this is out. Oh, okay. It's a nice car.
Yeah, I like that blue car.
Is that a buckshot?
I'm not sure.
Buckshot's kind of a little higher in the front end, though.
Yeah, I'm not sure. But guys, here's the fun that he gets to deal with.
That's what it is.
I don't know, maybe anybody, one of my subscribers out there, master of fifth wheel hooker-uppers? Is there like a secret to making this thing, you know, just making these things hook up right, I guess, or making it easier where you can just do it one time, not back, forward. Here we go. I think he's got it. Oh, I think that looked good. No, you know what it looks like? Looks like it's it looks like the pin is going like tilting way forward. I don't know, I think he's gonna go higher. Or lower, no, hey, I think the trailer has to come down, Anthony. Hold on, let me put the trailer down a little bit.
No, it's too low, right?
No, because what I'm seeing here is when you're going in, that thing is pitching forward like this, and it's like lifting where you got to hook up and not
too low. So usually how I hook up at home, just flat. I'll just barely touch it and bing.
Well, put it just a tad lower. Just go a tad lower. Go a little more. Okay, try that. No, well, let's just try it. It's trial and error. We clearly don't know what we're doing over here, so let's just try and see. Let's see, guys. Yeah, I think that's it.
Did it hit?
I don't know, but
No, see, it didn't.
What?
It's supposed to sling in.
Oh, that shoots in automatically?
Yeah.
Well, it looks better. I mean,
Yeah.
it locked. I think it locked. I don't know. Try to go forward. No, that just went in now when you pulled out.
Now it's locked. I heard it.
No, you're not locked now.
Yeah.
What do you mean? I see. What do you mean locked? This thing is not even, it's sitting right there.
Yeah, I know. But you see how loose it is right there?
Oh, yeah.
See? It's supposed to come in.
So that's locked right there?
It locked when I pulled out.
When you pulled forward, yeah.
Pulled out.
Okay.
Alright.
I don't know.
Let me try that.
Oh, yeah, see, I don't know. I can't really help too much on stuff like this. Yeah. No, you're not in.
Get a Goose Neck.
Get a Goose Neck, they said.
So much easier when I had my Goose Neck.
Was it your semi? The semi?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Center, you just
That's
slide
right,
right
I'm
in.
telling you. Let's get rid of that thing. It's literally 6 bolts, and we'll be done. We won't have to deal with it. And guys, yes, he tows us with a 2500. It's a 2018. It's a 2018 2500, and it pulls this 40. I think it's a 42 or 40 something foot. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, he went back up again. No. I think you gotta go down, man. Did you go back up? You gotta go back down. No? Okay. Alright guys, we'll be back after these messages. 5 hours later.
Watch it hook up.
Yeah.
Watch it hook up down. Alright, wait. Don't kill the camera.
Don't cut yet. My main thing is I came here, I just want to see how much this thing squats, but I didn't realize this takes this long. Oh, hold on. This plate just fell off. This plate just fell off. Is that normal?
No.
No.
Probably just got loose.
This plate? Is that?
It's like a guiding plate.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, I'll just...
Okay. All right, guys. Well, I'll show you how much it squats once he hooks it up, and then we'll go that route. Okay, go down.
I'll watch out.
Let's see.
Oh, this is a monitor for this guy. Oh, look at that. See? What was that? 2 inches?
Oh, it's not, dude. You're,
Oh, yeah,
you're still.
my bad.
What are you talking about? Yeah, it's it. It's not bad. Yeah, it's not too bad. So probably, yeah, probably maybe 2 inches.
That's not down yet.
Oh, well,
No,
we still got all out. We still got one up.
It's loose.
Wait, why isn't it? What are you doing? Why isn't it going down?
Retracting all, so it's going to be.
Oh, okay.
I just say retract all, so I don't, in case.
Yeah, that's not bad. Probably, yeah, probably 2 inches. That's what it.
If it's approved by Baba Ed.
That's what it looks like right there. It's not too bad. Oh no, it's easy. I'm not gonna say the truck's still level. Come on, dude. There it is, guys. That's what it looks like. 2500, 2018, boys. Bam, just like that. Yeah, I gotta say, it just squat a little bit. But I mean, you put some airbags on this thing. He says he's got plenty of power. Has no power issue towing it. This is one reason why, guys, I was worried about lifting my truck too big. So he's got I think it's a 5 or 6 inch lift. And you notice you can kind of see, and this is with the squatting, you know, so if you put airbags around, this thing would even be up even higher. But you can see here how it's sort of, you know, tilting up like this. If I get a fifth wheel, I'd want it nice and level. I assume it's supposed to be nice and level. I know you can have a little, I'm sure, you know, play of it going up, but this looks like it's going up a little too much. I don't know, dude. You don't want none of me. Come on. You sure as hell don't want none of my rammer, dude. Oh, well, you got to stop for fuel. I don't. Race me. Huh? Gold, yeah, stop at like Golden Acorn.
Lacumba or Golden, yeah.
Yeah, you probably could. What, you got half a tank?
Yeah.
You probably could. Yeah, well, I mean, if you need help, I'll push you from behind if you need a little. with your 2500 rammer. So this is for you guys still asking me, Eddie, do you still love your Ram? How does it pull? Does it pull good? It pulls amazing, guys. I love the way this thing drives and pulls. All right, look at this thing, a Tesla. It's electric. Nice. Oh, he's pulling behind a rammer. That's a good looking rammer. You got, oh, he's punching it on me. All right, you gonna make me give a little more gas there, partner? Okay, 10-4, it's 3,500. That was a nice truck right there. I like that rammer. Well, guys, my day here is done. Now, dealing with this BS. So, stay tuned for the next upload, but I'll explain to you, any of my attitude guys that have these. This is what happens. You see how it's not straight? See how it looks like crap? It's embarrassing. You turn the light on and it's like, well, here, I'll show you an example. So I'm ripping it off, and I'll do a full video for you guys, but I'm ripping the, ripping that light off. And here, let me show you, no, not light bar, awning light. So look at that. That looks horrible. That's embarrassing when you turn it on. It's like, really? Come on. So we're going to redo that, make it nice, straight. Probably gonna get rid of that plastic piece, X-nay, but I don't, better not smash that. But stay tuned, guys. I will let you know. But that's all I got for you guys in today's video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.